Fear is the oldest lock, the most primal, and the most powerful tool of control. From childhood, you were taught to fear punishment, fear rejection, fear failure, fear death itself. But here's the truth. Fear isn't natural. It was programmed. It's a weapon designed to paralyze your soul, to stop you from acting on your highest calling. Think of it. How many times have you stopped yourself, not because danger was real, but because fear whispered, "Don't." This lock feeds on hesitation. It thrives in silence. It multiplies when you ignore your inner voice. But the moment you see it, the spell begins to crack. Steps to break the lock of fear. 1. Call fear by its name. Whisper, "I see you. You are not me." 2. Breathe deeply into the space of fear. Most fear is only trapped breath waiting to move. 3. Do one small act in spite of it. Every time you move while afraid, the lock weakens, the chains rust, the cage opens. Deeper key. Fear dissolves in presence. When you anchor in the now, fear cannot live. It only feeds on futures that haven't happened yet. Ritual. Each night before sleep, write down one fear, then write its opposite as if it's already real. Example, I fear failure. Rewrite, I embody success. Burn the paper. Let the ashes remind you fear is fuel, and you decide how it burns. Closing transmission. The lock of fear has ruled humanity for thousands of years, but not you, not anymore. Because once you see fear as a weapon, you stop being its victim and start being its master. And remember, this is only the third lock revealed. The deeper we go, the more powerful the keys become. In the next transmission, we'll unlock something even more hidden, the lock of memory, and why your past isn't what you think it is.